Today, we're diving into the past with this charming little relic, a vintage French toy cash register. First, let's assess the damage. Sticky buttons? Check. Rust? Check. A mysterious old coin jammed inside? Definitely check. Time to take it apart and see what secrets it holds. Always remember to keep track of your screws. Otherwise, your restoration project might turn into a puzzle you never solve. Now, like a nostalgic jigsaw puzzle, it's all coming together. A little grease for the gears, and voila, c'est magnifique. Now, who's ready to play shop? And here it is, from forgotten relic to a charming centerpiece. Well, looks like it's eager to get back to business. Thanks for watching, and if you love restorations, don't forget to subscribe for more delightful transformations. See you next time.